my side. We're going 90 in a 60.